Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the question answer of the poem Trees. Yesterday I have explained you that what is the meaning of this poem. We have discussed what is the importance of trees also. Now today let's discuss the question answer. First we will discuss the question answer of working with the poem, and then we will discuss additional question answer also. Let's start. Question number 1. What are the games or human activities which use trees or in which trees also participate? Answer. The trees are used to make ट्री हाउसेस. सबसे पहले तो बर्ड्स जो है वो क्या करते हैं, बर्ड्स मेक देयर नेस्ट इन ट्रीज. सो द ट्रीज आर यूज्ड टू मेक ट्री हाउसेस. देन टू स्विंग स्विंग्स, टू प्ले हाइड एंड सीक, टू गेट शेड इन समर, टू बिल्ड फायर फॉर कैंप पार्टीज इन विंटर, टू गेट फ्रूट्स एंड वुड and for many more things. Question number 2. Trees are to make no shade in winter. What does this mean? This means during winter time we make use of tree wood to build a fire to feel warm. In summertime we need protection from sunlight and trees provide the cool shade. Now in question number 2, another question is also there. Trees are for apples to grow on or pears. Do you agree that one purpose of a tree is to have fruit on it? Or do you think this line is humorous? Answer. Well, trees make fruits to hide their seeds, to make more trees, and these fruits are for food for us. So in a way this line is humorous, as trees let fruits grow on them and people who eat these fruits grow beneath them. Question number 3. With the help of your partner, try to rewrite some lines in the poem or add new ones of your own as in the following example. Now here in this question we have to say that we have to rewrite some lines in the poem. Means we have to add new lines of our own. Try to compose a similar poem about water or air also. So let's try to rewrite some lines of this poem Trees. Trees are for sweet fruits. Trees take away our tiredness. Trees are oxygen. So here we have added 3 lines of this poem Trees. Now in this question also ask that try to compose a similar poem about water or air also. So let's compose this line. Drink water or bath in water. You can never imagine life without water. Pure water or impure water, save the every drop of water. Here we have completed the question answers of working with the poem. Now let's try to discuss another extra additional question answers of this poem. Question number 1. How are trees useful for birds? The first question is, how are trees useful for birds? So it's very simple, because most of the birds make their nest in trees. In this way trees are useful for birds. Question number 2. How are trees useful for the children? Answer. Children hang their swings on trees. They enjoy swinging on the branches of trees. They also play hide and seek in trees. In this way, trees are also useful for the children. Children also likes to play under the shade of trees with their friends. So, trees are very useful for the children also. Question number 3. What happens to the trees during autumn? ऑटम के दरमियान ट्रीज में क्या चेंजेस आते हैं? द आंसर इज द लीव्स ऑफ द ट्री फॉल ऑन द ग्राउंड ड्यूरिंग ऑटम. ऑटम सीजन के ड्यूरिंग जो ट्रीज के लीव्स होते हैं वो ग्राउंड पे फॉल हो जाते हैं. पीपल गेदर देम टू यूज देम एज फ्यूअल. एंड पीपल क्या करते हैं, लोग क्या करते हैं, फ्यूअल से उसको फ्यूअल की तरह यूज़ करने के लिए वो जो ट्री लीव्स होते हैं वो इकट्ठे करते हैं. द ट्रीज लुक बेयर एंड गिव नो शेड. सो ड्यूरिंग ऑटम सीजन द ट्रीज लुक बेयर बिकॉज द ट्रीज हैव नो लीव्स. विदाउट लीव्स द ट्रीज लुक बेयर and give no shade also. Question number 4. Why do the mothers like the trees? The mothers like the trees because ladies are by nature beauty loving and trees make a lovely scene for them. Women like to paint the scenic beauty of the trees. So, the mothers find trees good for painting lovely pictures. Question number 5. How do the trees help human beings in various ways? The answer is trees are very useful for human beings. ट्रीज़ जो है वो ह्यूमन बींग्स को कैसे हेल्प करती है? तो सबसे पहले तो ट्रीज़ जो है ह्यूमन बींग को बहुत ही यूज़फुल है बिकॉज दे प्रोवाइड एज फ्यूअल एंड टिम्बर. चिल्ड्रन स्विंग ऑन द ब्रांचेस ऑफ ट्रीज. दे ऑल्सो प्ले हाइड एंड सीक इन द ट्रीज. ट्रीज प्रोवाइड अ कूल शेड. Trees make a lovely scene for those who love paintings. They give us fruit also. Human beings cannot survive without trees. So human beings जो है वो trees के बिना survive नहीं कर सकते हैं. And in a nutshell we can say that trees are life givers. Here we have discussed all the question answers of this poem. I hope you all understood well. Thank you everyone. Bye. Have a nice day.